In this video, I am going to show you the top 3 best video editing apps for Android. I will show you how this app works and how you can simply use this application. So let's jump right into the video. So the first video editing apps for Android is Kinemaster. Alright, so Kinemaster is a video editing app which you can simply use to create your videos professionally. Alright, so here's the interface and this is the new version of Kinemaster. So this is Kinemaster 6.0. Just click on the link in the description to download this Kinemaster. Alright, so let's say you want to use a particular template, you don't want to create your video from scratch, then just tap on this mix. So here's a place you can find lots of templates in Kinemaster. Alright, so there are a lot of templates Kinemaster give you access to. So if you want to use any of these templates, just tap on this use and just follow the instruction. So right here, I don't want to use any template. I want to show you how you can simply create videos from scratch using Kinemaster. So I'll tap on this create. Then for you to create any video, just click on this new project. So right here, you can either name your project or you can leave it blank. Alright, so right here, I don't want to name my project. The importance of naming your project is just to identify the particular video. Alright, so let's say you have a lot of video you have created on Kinemaster, but if you name them and you want to edit the particular video, you can easily find the video. Alright, so the next thing is the aspect ratio. So you can choose any aspect ratio right here, but if you are creating videos for YouTube, I prefer using 16:9, and also 16:9 is the standard video editing ratio. So I'll tap on this 16:9, then I'll click on create. Once you click on create, the next thing for you to do is to add any video or any photo as your media. So right here, I'll go to my download and add a video. Alright, so here's my download. Then I will add this video first. So I'll tap on the video to add it. So one of the cool features in Kinemaster is that you don't need to on your data to actually create videos in Kinemaster. Alright, you only need to on your data when you want to download some cool things in the asset store. Maybe you want to download any transition effects or anything in the asset store. That is when you will need a data connection for it. But if you want to create any video like adding anything to Kinemaster, you don't need to on your data. Alright, so for you to add any video again, I'll tap on this media, then I'll click on my download. So right here, I can just add this video. Alright, so once you add a video, you can just click on this plus icon here where the arrow is showing. I'll tap on the plus icon. So right now, we can add any transition effect of your choice. So just click on this asset store where the arrow is showing. So that is where you can actually download so many things on Kinemaster. Alright, so I can just click on this speed turn. Then I'll click on the first one here to add the speed turn transition effect. Alright, so let's play this video and let's see how the transition looks. Alright guys, as you can see, so that's so perfect right now. Alright, so if you want to add text or any other thing in Kinemaster, just tap on this layer. So anything you added as layer will be under this particular video. So you can just tap on text, sticker, effect, or anything you want to add as layer. Alright, so I have several videos on how to use Kinemaster to create text or video effects on my YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this video till the end to get access to the playlist on how to simply use Kinemaster for text effects and video effects. So by watching the video, you have more understanding about how Kinemaster works. So let's move to the next video editing app. So the second video editing app is CapCut. So if you are one of my subscribers, you should have known that I've been creating videos on how to use CapCut recently on my YouTube channel. Alright, so for you to create a new video on CapCut, just tap on this new project. So the link to download CapCut is in the description below. Alright, so right now you can just input any video as your background. So I'll tap on this video, then I'll click on this add. So CapCut have a lot of things you can actually do on it. Alright, so you can just click on this text. If you want to add any text to your video, just click on this add text. So once you click on add text, you can just add any text of your choice. Alright, but right now I am not adding any text to my video. So the next thing is a text template. Just tap on it. So if you want CapCut to actually give you a template for your text, you can actually use this particular option. And the next one is this auto captions and many other things right here. You can just play around everything right here in CapCut and you will definitely get it. Alright, so if you want to add any video or any photo to your video in CapCut, just tap on this overlay, then you click on add overlay. So once you click on add overlay, you can simply add a particular video or a particular photo you want to add to your video. Alright, and the next thing is this effect. So right here you can choose a video effect for your video. So I'll tap on this video effect. So there are a lot of video effects you can simply use right here. Alright, you can just play around everything and choose the one you want to use. So let's move to the next one, which is the body effect. So I'll tap on this body effect. So right here you can simply choose anyone you want to use, then I'll click on mark. Alright, like I said, there are a lot of features you can simply use on CapCut. Alright, so I have a complete playlist on how to use CapCut for text and video effects on my YouTube channel. So if you want to get access to the video, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will add the playlist to the end of this video. So let's move to the next video editing app. So the third, which is the last video editing app, is Alight Motion. Alright, so Alight Motion is an application you can simply use to edit your videos professionally. So many people don't know how to use Alight Motion, but if you can take your time and learn Alight Motion, then you'll be creating amazing video with Alight Motion. Alright, so for you to create any video in Alight Motion, just tap on this plus icon here. So right now you can just create a new project. So you can also name your project if you want, but I don't want to name my project. And the next thing is to choose the resolution you want. So I love to choose 180p, as you can see. So you can change it to 720p or any resolution you want. And the frame rate, I love it to be in 30 fps. Alright, and the background also you can change it to white or any color you want. So once you do that, just tap on this create project, then I'll wait for it to load. Alright guys, so as you can see, there are nothing here. So for you to add any video or any photo as your background on Alight Motion, just tap on this plus icon here where the arrow is showing. So I'll tap on it, then you can choose any shape you want right here, but right now I don't want any shape. So I'll tap on my media to add something from my media. Alright, so I'll just go to my download. Alright, so I'll go to my download, I'll click on this download. Alright guys, so right here you can just input any video you want. So I'll tap on this video, then I'll wait for it to appear on this Alight Motion. So let's wait. Alright guys, so here's the video I added. So for you to add anything on Alight Motion like text or anything to your video, just tap on this plus icon here again where the arrow is showing. So I'll tap on it, then you click on this text where the arrow is showing. So I'll tap on this text. So right here you can just add any text you want to your video. So right now I will add Juwon. Alright, so once you add it, just click on this place where the arrow is showing to actually change the font of the text. So I'll tap on it, then I'll click on this view all fonts. So right here you can just choose any font you want to use. So I'll search for Montserrat. Alright, so I want to use this Montserrat bold. So I'll tap on it, then let's see. Alright guys, so this is it right now, and the next thing for me to do is to change the color of the text, because the text is not visible right now. So I'll click on this color where the arrow is showing. So I'll tap on it and change the color of the text to white. Alright, so the next thing for me to do is just to increase the size of this text. So I'll tap on this place where the arrow is showing, then I'll increase the size of the text. Okay, so this is okay by me. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'll tap on this mark icon here once you are done editing your text. Alright, so here's the text right now. You can simply add effect to your text. You can add a lot of things to your text. So you can just play around everything in Alight Motion, then you definitely get it. Alright, so Alight Motion is very complicated to use. You can't really understand when you start using it. but once you keep practicing on Alight Motion, then you will definitely know how to use it like a pro. Alright, so I don't have any video yet on my YouTube channel that talk about how to use Alight Motion or how to create video with Alight Motion, but I'll be creating videos on how to use Alight Motion on my YouTube channel soon. So if you want to receive the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified anytime I drop the video. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video tutorial on the top 3 best video editing app for Android. So I promise you that I will give you access to CapCut playlist on how to create video on CapCut and Kinemaster playlist on how to create videos on Kinemaster. So click on the end screen in the next clip to get access to the playlist. Thank you guys, I'll see you in my next video tutorial.